Most purchases are made off of emotion and not logic. So I've heard all kinds of different stats, and it ranges. Some people say anywhere between 70 and 90% of purchases are made off emotion. So what does that mean for you as a business owner? What that means is in your ad copy, in your videos, everything that you do, you want your customers to feel something. And for everyone, that's different. Like for me, I like to do a lot of comedy, so I do a lot of comical stuff. I'll give you lots of other examples. Charities especially do a lot of range of emotions. Like one, they might show children that are starving and they're saying, look at this. And that might feel sad. That might make you feel inspired to help. One of my favorite charities, ASPCA, works with dogs and animals and rescuing them. They might also share, hey, we just saved 50 dogs that were trained to dogfight, or a place where they were, breeding dogs and they were living in inhumane conditions. Donate to our charity. So in that point, they're sharing the positives. So you could be sharing the stuff that makes people sad, the stuff that makes people happy, the stuff that makes people laugh, the stuff that makes people motivated, the stuff that makes people hopeful. But whatever it is, you want to inspire some sort of emotion, knowing that people buy off emotion